The three essential pieces of metadata on YouTube, the title, description, and tags, play a pivotal role in communicating the content of a video to the platform's algorithm. Effectively utilizing these elements is crucial for reaching the intended audience and increasing views. Unfortunately, many content creators often misunderstand the proper application of these components. It's common to see titles overloaded with information that belongs in the description, or descriptions filled with details better suited for tags. This misalignment can impede the channel's growth as it hinders the algorithm's ability to accurately interpret and categorize the content. In today's video, we'll delve into the correct methodology for incorporating titles, descriptions, and tags on YouTube. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can enhance the discoverability of your content, ensuring that your channel not only reaches the right audience, but also experiences significant growth. Title. The title stands out as the most crucial factor among the three components: title, description, and tags, in determining a video's success on YouTube. This prominence arises from the fact that the title, along with the thumbnail, is the first impression viewers get, influencing their decision to watch the video. Crafting optimized titles is essential for both appealing to the YouTube algorithm and capturing the attention of human viewers. One valuable tip is to keep titles short and easy to read. While it's understood that titles should contain important keywords, unnecessary stuffing should be avoided. It's recommended to limit the title to under 70 characters for two primary reasons. Firstly, in the fast-paced environment of YouTube browsing, viewers have limited time to read each title and thumbnail. A concise title is more likely to capture their attention. Secondly, titles exceeding 70 characters may get cut off, particularly in the suggested section, where titles are truncated after 40 to 50 words. Moving on to the second tip, playing with viewers' emotions proves to be a powerful strategy. Recognizing that titles cater to both the algorithm and human psychology, it is beneficial to incorporate phrases that evoke basic emotions such as excitement, shock, fear, anger, or urgency. This emotional appeal adds a human touch to the title, making it more engaging. For instance, in a tips video like 5 tips to get more views, phrases like instant results or this always works can inject excitement, while don't miss this can create a sense of urgency. By strategically tapping into viewers' emotions, creators can significantly enhance the likelihood of getting clicks. Emphasizing that titles are not merely a tool for keywords, but also a vital component in grabbing viewers' attention, akin to thumbnails, underscores their pivotal role in driving engagement and click-through rates. But before starting this video again, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Now let's start it again. Description. Opinions on the significance of video descriptions on YouTube vary, with some people finding them useful and others questioning their impact. While steering clear of personal opinions, it's important to note YouTube's stance on descriptions. Within YouTube Studio, under Video Details, clicking the question symbol in the description box reveals YouTube's guidance. Writing descriptions with keywords can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. This statement underscores the importance of descriptions in enhancing searchability and discoverability. To optimize a video's SEO, individuals often mistakenly incorporate description-like elements into the title. However, YouTube recommends placing keywords in the beginning of the description. A practical approach involves researching related keywords directly on YouTube, copying relevant phrases, and adding underscores before the first word to extract additional crucial keywords. The most important keyword phrases can be directly placed at the start of the description, separated by a slash symbol. YouTube suggests providing an overview of the video in the description, emphasizing the significance of a summary that need not be overly detailed. Viewers typically refer to the description for important links or clarification, rather than an extensive overview. The remaining keyword phrases can be included in an overview format. Optimizing a video for YouTube's search engine involves adding timestamps, relevant links, and avoiding keyword stuffing. The description's content may vary for each video, but certain elements remain consistent, forming the default description. By navigating to YouTube Studio, accessing settings, and setting upload defaults, creators can establish a default description that will automatically be added to every uploaded video. This feature streamlines the process, eliminating the need to recreate the description from scratch. The default description can include essential links, such as those to channel playlists, social media, and a contact email for business inquiries and collaborations. It's crucial to be cautious of keyword stuffing and descriptions, as YouTube discourages the excessive addition of tags within the description. Adhering to these practices ensures a well-optimized video description that contributes to enhanced discoverability and engagement. Tags. Does that effort actually result in more views? YouTube suggests that tags have a minimal role in a video's discovery, emphasizing that the title, thumbnail, and description carry greater importance. While YouTube advises against excessive focus on tags, acknowledging their limited impact, it still suggests their inclusion. To add tags effectively, there are several approaches. Manually searching and adding tags by identifying relevant keyword phrases related to the video's topic is one method, mirroring the process used for the description. For those finding this challenging, tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can be employed to analyze tags used by other creators in similar topics. Additionally, rapidtags.com offers a convenient option to generate useful tags by entering the main keyword. YouTube also recommends incorporating tags for common misspellings or variations of content or channel names. Despite this advice, it's acknowledged that tags have become less influential in 2023 compared to their significance in the past. Having learned the optimization techniques for titles, descriptions, and tags, the ultimate question remains: will these efforts truly result in increased views? While each element contributes to a video's discoverability, the overall success also depends on the quality and relevance of the content, audience engagement, and other factors. Therefore, while optimization is crucial, it's just one piece of the puzzle, and creators should aim for a holistic approach to ensure sustained growth and visibility on the platform. Conclusion: the question of whether optimizing your video using SEO techniques will bring in views has a nuanced answer. It's both yes and no. While proper search engine optimization, SEO, can certainly help your video rank higher and be more discoverable, it's not the sole determining factor for success. YouTube prioritizes keeping viewers engaged on its platform, considering metrics like click-through rate, CTR, average view duration, and retention to rank videos. Even if the video has excellent SEO, if it lacks a compelling title, thumbnail, and engaging content resulting in low CTR and poor watch time, it may struggle to gain views. In essence, while SEO is essential for visibility, it's crucial to focus on other aspects, such as creating attention-grabbing titles, compelling thumbnails, and delivering engaging content. The holistic approach of improving these elements collectively enhances the chances of success on the platform. Therefore, it's recommended to not solely rely on SEO, but to understand the broader context of factors that contribute to a video's performance and viewer engagement. Do you think you'd enjoy it? Click the like button and subscribe to our channels for more videos.